Hello my peoples, how are you all doing? So today's video is about the first vaccine jab that we are going to go and get. I'm extremely scared because I'm scared of injections, and Chandeep is also here with me.
I'm not scared.
It's I guess 8 o'clock in the morning. Our appointment is at 8:20, and it's going to be our first jab. The second jab that we are going to get is after 21 days. So yes, we are traveling. We are traveling right now to the vaccination center. Let's see how it goes. I'll try and keep the videos or the photographs on for you. But if they don't allow, I will still let you know how did it go. And I will also tell you the after symptoms, or if there are any.
Yeah, in case we die, we'll let you know.
Definitely we're not going to die, but yeah, if there are some after effects of the vaccine, I'm definitely going to put that on the video. So stay tuned, stay connected, and wish me luck, guys. Hello peoples. So first dose of vaccine is done. Yes, it was very quick. I think we not even sat for 5 minutes. We entered the hall. They took our Emirates ID card, which is equivalent to Aadhaar card in India, and we got our first jab. And it was quite quick, by the way.
Painless too.
It was painless, of course. I'm sure we'll have the side effects or after effects in 10 to 12 hours. But yes, let's see how it goes. And I hope it is not going to hurt too much, because my left arm has already started paining. So
What are you saying?
let's see. A quick update or a quick check. It's been nearly 7 hours that we have had our first shot, first vaccine shot, and we are not feeling dizzy. We have no fever. We are not feeling vomitish. We are absolutely fine. The only thing that is happening to us is little sore arm, and I guess that is the only side effect or after effects of our vaccine. We couldn't shoot because the whole process was so smooth and so easy that we couldn't get time to shoot the vaccine, or to shoot the environment out there. But it was quite easy. You just enter, there is a hall, they make you sit in a line, and once you get your number, you go with your Emirates ID card. As I said, that it's a similar card to what we have in India, which is an Aadhaar card. So, but it's a chipped card, so they scan, access everything, and let you go for your vaccine. And I think vaccine itself took about less than 1.5 minutes. They asked few details, few medical history, and the vaccine is done, and then you move out. So it was very simple, very quick, no side effects. So I will keep you posted. Probably I will give it another day, and I will see how it is. It's moving, but it's paining a bit, which is okay. I think should be fine in couple of days, I guess, in a day or two. Hello, welcome back to day 3, and I didn't shoot for day 2 because कुछ ज़्यादा था नहीं honestly shoot करने के लिए. वैसे तो पूरी वीडियो में कुछ ज़्यादा shoot नहीं करने के लिए था, but I thought let me make it a little more elaborative. So day 2 went okay. बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं था, except the arm was sore, but उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं था. Day 3, it's actually life is back to normal. We had no dizziness, no fever, no vomiting feeling or vomitish feeling in any of the days. We were quite okay, to be honest. Rather I was quite scared. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है injections and medicines. तो मैं बहुत scared थी कि पता नहीं क्या होगा और क्या नहीं होगा, but it went pretty okay. The process was quite smooth. Things actually went pretty well. So yes, people who are still waiting for their shots, please go ahead and get yourself vaccinated. Shots means vaccinated shots, not any other shots. So go get yourself vaccinated. I guess I have not heard any news, or I have not heard anything from anywhere or from any other country or from government, local bodies or local authorities, that if you get vaccinated you might get privileges to travel distant cities or countries as well. So I don't know, it's just my assumption. It might give you some benefits or some benefit of doubt while you're traveling because you have got yourself vaccinated. I'm not too sure, have I mentioned that we got vaccinated with Pfizer? In Dubai also there are different centers using different vaccinations, but the center that we went on to had a Pfizer vaccination shots. This is it from our side. We're back to normal life after vaccination, to be honest. We'll get back to our workout regime and everyday tasks. Stay safe, stay healthy, and get yourself vaccinated, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.